This video, I'm going to show you how you can leave or exit a community group on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you want to exit any group on Roblox, it's pretty simple. Just head over to more here once you have logged into your account and then head to community. Now under communities, you'll see all the groups that you have joined. And for my case, I'm a member of this one community group. To exit, go ahead and tap on it, and besides it, go ahead and tap on three dots, and we have an option to leave the community. So if you go ahead and click on leave community and then go ahead and confirm by yes, now you will no longer be a member of that community group. And as you can see, the option has changed from leave to join. So that's how you can exit a community in Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.